Today is a big day at M-09. It's a two-part house, multi-section, double-wide, 3 different kinds of names for it. And we've finished our patio, we finished the area that's concrete for under the shed, and today they're putting stone in the side yard, and the house will be moving over here today. So we're looking at the lot for the first time since it's got built, and it will be placed here today. And tomorrow we will have the set crew. The set crew from Pennsylvania comes out and anchors the house together, and they call it the marriage wall. The 2 parts of the house will be put together. We've had a lot of problems with the weather, so we had to wait till everything was dried up, and now we're good to go. The piers are in place. Those are the circular parts inside the concrete slab, and they go down beyond the frost line, and then the concrete pad is what is the vapor barrier and the moisture barrier from the earth. So this is very exciting today. We're happy to have you join us for this step-by-step process. Over there you see M10. M10 is very similar to what's being brought over today. This is very similar house with a little front porch and the same size, and that's what's going here. So stay tuned and we'll keep posting videos of the next stage. This house has already been sold, and we're very excited for the homeowner to move in, hopefully by November 1st. We're doing our best. Interested in joining us here in Carteret Mobile Park? Just email me at info@dolanhomes.com. We'd love to have you join us. These are all our little houses, making affordable living for people in the shadow of New York City.